guys, welcome back to the Sports Republic. Yeah, continuing from our series that we are doing, जिसमें हम वर्ल्ड कप की टीम्स को रेट कर रहे हैं और एनालाइज कर रहे हैं और देख रहे हैं कि उनकी हाउ इजी और डिफिकल्ट देयर रूट विल बी इनटू द सेमीफाइनल. तो उसी सीरीज की सेकंड टीम जो हम जिसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, that
Black
are
Caps.
the Black Caps, the Test Championship champions. So we'll speak about those. See, अभी Test Championship champion है तो ऐसे ही होगा ना कि T20 थोड़ा सा टट्टी होगा. That's how it is supposed to be, no? If one country is doing well in one format, the other format has to be a little bad. That's how it goes. Especially बेचारा न्यूजीलैंड की population जहाँ पे they have to pick, they have a very selective picking bunch. Yeah, so New Zealand are in Group 2. With the three major teams who have already qualified being Pakistan, India and Afghanistan. So they've said कि तुमने इंग्लैंड में अपने फेवरेबल कंडीशंस में जीता है टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप, अब तुम सबसे घटिया पिचेस में एशियन टीम्स के सामने आओ. They are facing the entire Asian bloc plus they can actually face Bangladesh as well, जो I think will finish the top of the qualifying. So actually they're playing 4 Asian teams.
What if अगर इधर से श्रीलंका 2 नंबर पे है और श्रीलंका भी इधर आ गए, कितना लेफ्ट आउट फील करेंगे न्यूजीलैंड.
श्रीलंका 2 नंबर पे.
So that is Asia Cup feat New Zealand in that.
Asia Cup feat New Zealand.
Oceania Cup.
Oceania Cup.
Yeah. So yeah, they are the main teams basically. First they'll pick Pakistan, then they face India, then the 2 qualifying teams, and then Afghanistan. They end up their campaign of the group stages with Afghanistan. हम लोग इनकी टीम को भाई लोग 4 पैरामीटर्स में रेट कर रहे हैं, लाइक वी डिड विद वेस्ट इंडीज. जिसको देखना है वीडियो वो प्लीज इधर कहीं लिंक होगी, वहां जाके देख लेना. तो जस्ट गोना रीड आउट देयर स्क्वाड फर्स्ट. देयर बैटर्स व्हिच आर केन विलियमसन, व्हिच इज देयर कैप्टन. Martin Guptill, I don't know how long he's going to play more. Devon Conway, Glenn Phillips, Tim Seifert. That's it. That is their batting. All-rounders: Daryl Mitchell, Mark Chapman, Jimmy Neesham तो है, चलो at least we know one guy. Mitchell Santner and Todd Aston. Bowlers: Ish Sodhi, Kylie Jamieson, Tim Southee, Trent Bolt and Lockie Ferguson. Reserves में है Adam Milne. They've just had one reserve in their team, so too short of
just like their country,
too short of resources.
Population shortage.
So yeah, the 4 parameters we are rating all teams are: the first is their batting strength, the second is their bowling strength, the third is their team balance, and the fourth is their leadership group, which involves their captain, their coach, their batting coach, their bowling coach, their fielding coach, their whatever, the whole entourage. So we'll start with New Zealand. By Vignesh, we'll start with you. New Zealand की बैटिंग को how much do you want to give out of 10?
न्यूजीलैंड की बैटिंग को मतलब शायद जो उनके टॉप के 4 प्लेयर हैं तो उस हिसाब से 4 ही बनने चाहिए उनके. मतलब the facial expressions on said everything, right? You were optimistic about Guptill, you were optimistic about Williamson. Conway में थोड़ा सा confidence down हुआ. Seifert आते आते पूरी energy निकल गई. So that is about it. It is more about them, we know their spirit, right? They punch above their weights, they do stuff, which normally शायद मतलब हम expect नहीं करेंगे from other teams to go above.
Yeah,
तो उसके लिए a very very generous 6.5 for the batting.
Oh my God, generous! You're calling it and give it a 6.5 because
यार ये भी generous बोल के दे रहा है 6.5 because I'm also giving generous 6.5 only, क्योंकि मेरे को भी जैसे हम बैटिंग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, नीचे आते आते खत्म है. मार्टिन गप्टिल is not someone who is very great against spin. Same goes with Devon Conway as well. Like तुम्हारा पूरा टीम का बैटिंग लाइनअप is revolving around the anchor. मतलब जो केन विलियमसन से ज्यादा 130 का स्ट्राइक रेट का एक्सपेक्टेशंस करेंगे, 135 on his very good day. So 6.5 for me. Batting from
so I am just going to give you some stats if you want to reconsider their batting ka. So the batting first, their average score is 169. Batting second, their average score is 144. But I think their average scores will be a little more sort of not indicative of the conditions where they play in.
Yeah.
T20 के grounds बहुत
Absolutely.
छोटे हैं न्यूजीलैंड में, and the batting is not as difficult as
Very
it
good
is
point.
they're going to be facing in the UAE. Batting first, win percentage 61.29%, win percentage, while batting second is 33.33. So they are decimal wise chasing. Leading run scorer is Martin Guptill since 2016 World Cup. 39 innings, 1133 runs at an average of 29.05, strike rate of 146, which is impressive, and 100, highest score of 105. Considering, I mean, these are not the greatest numbers. And we consider the best batsman to be Kane Williamson, and Kane Williamson बोलते हैं कि दुनिया का अगर one of the top 3, 4, 5 batsmen in the world है, और उसका भी सबसे जो weakest suit है 3 formats में से वो T20 है. He is a better test batsman, then an ODI batsman, and then his T20 skills come into the picture. I'm not saying he's bad T20 wise, but to help his team in this tournament, he has to be exceptional, not only just good. So it looks very grim, and for that I will give them also a 6.5. I don't think that's a generous score, because again Vignesh said kuch na kuch karte hain yaar ye log. They have that spirit, and they play as a team, or especially inki fielding hai, they won't give one run away like on the field. So they're actually complementing their lack of batting by protecting 15-20 runs on the field. Going to their bowling, Vignesh, bowling ke liye, how much do you want to give? Just I want to tell you the leading wicket taker here is Ish Sodhi. Ish Sodhi has played 45 innings since the 2016 World Cup, has taken 57 wickets at a strike rate of 23.51. Average is very decent, very nice average of 16.82. That's a crazy average actually. And has got a 4-wicket haul once. Economy rate is on the higher side of 8.38, which is of course going to come down in the UAE. Yeah, bowling wise, just don't want to.
Yes. Bowling wise, I guess bowling is their better suit as compared to their batting, which has a sort of depth which their batting lacks.
Yeah.
And then two names which prompt me their attention is Ish Sodhi being one. He's a very underrated wrist spinner again. And my memories of Ish Sodhi is strangling India in the 2016 World Cup at Nagpur on a rank. Mitchell Santner. हाँ, मिचेल सैंटनर को शायद लोगों ने सॉर्ट कर लिया है. वेरी लिमिटेड बॉलर, वेरी लिमिटेड बॉलर. अक्षर पटेल के बाद
I was thinking you would name Akshar Patel. Yeah.
And the standout New Zealand seamer who has also been a standout in IPL is Lockie Ferguson, and he has played in those conditions. He might be the biggest X factor New Zealand will be looking at.
Yes, sir.
Hence, I'm going with a 6.5 because there isn't much variety. Considering the UAE pitches, you have a Chapman, you have a Mitchell, you have Jimmy Neesham. Jimmy Neesham doesn't even feature for Mumbai Indians when they shuffle their team around, and their last resort is Jimmy Neesham. So he hasn't progressed as New Zealand would have liked him to. Very similar kind of bunch of players, might not suit UAE conditions. 6.5 again for the bowling.
Vikas, would you agree to that? I think it's a little low, I think.
Yeah, it is a little low, I think. मैं 7.5 के साथ जा रहा हूँ.
That's a little high for me.
नहीं. For me, see, like Vignesh mentioned कि थोड़ा सा underrated bowler है Ish Sodhi, और स्पेशली यूएई कंडीशंस में आके थोड़ा सा और मतलब अच्छा बेटर परफॉर्मेंस की हम उम्मीद कर सकते हैं. एंड आल्सो गोज विद दिस सैंटनर एज वेल, क्योंकि सैंटनर भी मुझे लगता है जहां पर थोड़ा सा फंसाता है, जैसे इसमें भी वर्ल्ड कप में भी फंसाया था एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई थिंक वर्ल्ड कप में फंसाया था, तो मेरे को लगता है कि ये दोनों मेन वहां पर रहेंगे for New Zealand bowling, and around them you do have someone like Kylie Jamieson, someone like Trent Bolt और Lockie Ferguson के बारे में भी, like you rightly said कि अभी KKR के लिए भी he did really well when Russell left. तो मेरे को लगता है कि उस हिसाब से Kylie Jamieson, Trent Bolt, Lockie Ferguson, Ish Sodhi, Santner, then you have Team Southee's experience and Jimmy Neesham अभी आया तो 3 विकेट तो लेके ही गया. So उस हिसाब से I'm feeling कि it's a good side.
Okay.
क्योंकि मैंने 6.5 दिया था बैटिंग में, मेरे को लगता है 7.5 इज अ गुड नंबर फॉर.
अच्छे लगते हैं मुझे न्यूजीलैंड वाले, तो थोड़ा सा 0.5 उसके लिए बढ़ जाता है. But I am going with a 7. I think listening to Vikas, I think मेरे को भी ऐसा लग रहा है 7.5 देना चाहिए था मुझे कि I don't think their bowling is the worst. Kylie Jamieson, we were all ruining why Virat Kohli wasn't playing him for RCB कि उसको खिलाना चाहिए था ऐसे up and down pitches में जहाँ पे I mean and they are playing in Sharjah as well, right? Yeah, they're playing in Sharjah as well. तो you know ऐसे up and down pitches में जहाँ पे bounce consistent नहीं है ऐसे height वाले bowler जो overarm bowling डालता है तो I think he can be a great bowler for them in this series. Lockie Ferguson, we've seen, man. Wow, what a performance he has what a performer he has been for KKR. Pat Cummins को लग रहा था replace कर पाएगा या नहीं कर पाएगा वो I think he's doubled his value in the IPL this side. Brilliant bowler है क्या aggression है क्या मतलब attitude से bowling करता है I really like him. And plus, they have actually picked bowlers for the conditions. They picked spinner Ish Sodhi and you know Mitchell Santner. Mitchell Santner, yeah, is he Akshar Patel or is he?
No, Akshar Patel is better.
Or is he Pandya? Krunal Pandya.
Oh.
Bowling में कृणाल पांड्या, बैटिंग में अक्षर पटेल.
और फील्डिंग अच्छी है यार, but his fielding is amazing.
फील्डिंग में जड्डू.
Mitch Santner is नहीं यार, जड्डू नहीं यार. Don't go there. Don't जड्डू से.
Sorry sir.
Not Santner, man. Not Santner. There are other great fielders in the team, but not Santner. Santner is not that quick on the field as well. I mean, he's a great catcher and everything,
Yes,
but he's not very express on pace-wise. Matlab, you know, has a great throw actually. But yeah, so Chapman so they've picked their fair share of spinners. See, I see there are two left-arm spinners, which is Mitchell Santner and Chapman. And they are facing Pakistan, India, and Afghanistan, which do not have a lot of left-handed batsmen. Most are right-handed batsmen. So I think that is, I think it's a strategic move. So I'm going to give them a 7 because of that. Team balance, Vignesh.
Despite them having lack of resources, and we have also seen that they are just going in with 16 bunch of players with just a single reserve player. दो नाम मुझे बहुत ऐसे खटक रहे हैं कि इन लोग क्यों नहीं है. One being Finn Allen. Talked about so highly, and people had huge expectations with Finn Allen, and another being Tom Latham. Yeah, Tom Latham का नहीं होना is such a big surprise, यार.
I am not surprised with Latham, right?
Is it? He's very good against spin in the sense that he's good with the sweeps, quite unconventional in his scoring areas. Right. So I'm quite surprised considering the names that have made the cut. उसके चलते. But New Zealand has this thing, right? आप कभी भी उनके team balance को question नहीं कर पाओगे. क्योंकि there are a lot 1 to 11 में like to like replacements हैं कहीं ना कहीं. There will be 4 medium pacers, there will be 1 left-arm swing. True. So making that mix, obviously going 1 point high than their other parameters. 7.5 for me on their team balance.
Actually that is the, if you sum Vignesh sums the ratings up, that is New Zealand in a nutshell. Not too much talent on the batting and bowling front, but play as a team, give 100% on the field, save 15, 20, 30, 40 runs on the field. And, the team balance that way looks good. And they have a lot of options always. So I'm also going with a 7 because...
You're also, Vignesh is 7.5, right?
Yeah, I'm going with a 7. Yeah, sorry. I'm going with a 7.
Yeah. So I'm actually also going with 7 because I really don't think okay, top batters are there, top bowlers are there, but all-rounder wala jo part hai na, I don't really see Jimmy Neesham or Mitchell Santner winning you with a bat.
Yeah, maybe इसलिए मैंने 7 में गया कि वो एक power hitter जो होता है down the order, I think they're missing.
Right.
So I think
so that way 7 for me.
Yeah, perfect. Next parameter, leadership group, Vignesh.
Leadership group, 2019 World Cup में what New Zealand did the best was the calmness that they brought into such a chaotic final that we call, and then they won millions of hearts, and we were just waiting for them to win something big, and then they finally ended up doing that with the
and they were calm then also. That is the big thing.
Were calm then also. So a lot of it revolves around Kane Williamson, a very, very clear voice. He has the respect of the team, and in such a big tournament you need that, right? You need a leader who is respected by your folks as well. Just because the team that he has and the lack of resources, there is a 0.5 mere yahan se kam, but otherwise a very high 8 for the leadership group of New Zealand.
Because
actually same as Vignesh's point, 8. और क्योंकि केन विलियमसन के अलावा और बहुत ज्यादा कोई ऑन फील्ड वहां पर लीडर्स है ऐसे समझ में नहीं आता है. इफ यू सी ट्रेंट बोल्ट फॉर मुंबई इंडियंस एज वेल, इज नॉट रियली अ लीडर, इज just a soldier kind of a thing. Martin Guptill is an experienced guy, but again, he's
Again,
the
not a
only
leader.
deputy.
Yeah.
Again, not a leader. Is the only deputy जहाँ पर Kane Williamson can see him. Rather again, Kane Williamson in case is Kane Williamson जो शायद खुद अपने decisions अपने लेके खत्म कर सकता है चीजें. But otherwise, I don't really see anyone else than Kane Williamson. So total 8 points for Kane Williamson.
Okay, I'm going actually at an 8.5. I have इस चैनल पे हमेशा on my Twitter just been in love with Kane Williamson's captaincy. I think he is the best captain in the world at this moment. That is my personal opinion. Don't hate me for it. So 8 तो मैं उसको वैसे देता, पर 8.5 just because he is Kane Williamson. So I'm going with an 8.5 for the leadership. Yeah. Moving on, भाई लोगों, we'll just go through the teams they'll play and हम लोग देखते हैं कि where if they are going to finish up, मतलब if they're going to finish up playing the semi-finals, will they go out of this Asia-packed group, Asian bloc that is blocking them right now? Just their record, I'm going to share their record since the T20 World Cup of 2016. They've played 57 matches, won 28 of them, lost 29 of them. So it's almost like a 50-50 ratio, which is basically 49.46 to be exact. Other than that, the 3 qualified teams already that they're playing in their group, I'll just go through the records as well. This is their head-to-head record versus the 3 teams that are going to play in the qualifiers since the 2016 World Cup. This is versus India. They've played 11 games. They've won 3. They've lost 8. Thank you, Hardik Pandya. Win percentage 27.27%. Versus Pakistan, they've played 9 games, lost 6, won 3. So the Asian record doesn't get any better. The win percentage 33.33. Versus Afghanistan, they haven't played a game yet, so they're going to play, and we'll see what happens. So Vignesh, Pakistan ke against kya hone wala hai? Want to win or lose? Pakistan are
going to win. Yeah.
Because
where are they playing?
Sharjah.
They're playing at Sharjah. So they'll I think Pakistan will win.
Yeah, I'm also going to go with Pakistan. Clear favorites isme to. India, should I move ahead? India. India
in a World Cup against New Zealand is
अरे यार, it's a very मतलब
यहाँ पे
बहुत
बारिश नहीं आने वाली है, दूसरे दिन मैच नहीं
नहीं यार, बारिश नहीं यार, बारिश के अलावा भी 2007 वाले वर्ल्ड कप में उन्होंने ही बस हमको हराया था. देन ये लास्ट वाले वर्ल्ड कप में भी वही हराते हैं हमको, मतलब पता नहीं
अभी इतनी टीम हमारी काफी अच्छी है.
But I guess in T20, we are too strong.
Yeah, I also think. Unless we screw up big time that day, we are not losing that game. And Dubai में भी शारजा भी नहीं है कि कि एक बॉलर का अच्छा दिन चल गया, मैचेस सैंटनर ले गया 4 विकेट, वैसा भी नहीं होगा. दुबई is basically your quality will shine through. भाई तीसरा, they play against the qualifier from Group B, which is likely this is the topper of Group B, which is likely going to be Bangladesh. I think that is also a tricky fixture for these guys, man. I think, yeah. सोच भी नहीं रहा यार.
मैं भी बांग्लादेश के लिए सोच रहा हूँ. I think Bangladesh will be there.
उन लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हरा के
I'm going to go New Zealand. I'm going to go New Zealand. I think India और Pakistan के against they get tough games and they'll at least bounce back against Bangladesh. I hope so. But Bangladesh के you can't laugh by Bangladesh के ऊपर now. They are a serious team in this T20 World Cup. I think so they can cause a few upsets. I think चौथा गेम तो जीतेंगे यार. चौथा गेम तो जीतेंगे, which is against the second place team of Group A, which is Ireland, Netherlands और Namibia में से एक. तो I think जीतेंगे यार. Come on Vignesh यार. नहीं यार, don't do this bro. Ryan Tendish-Carter का World Cup है.
तुम लोगों ने अफगानिस्तान के बारे में बोला क्या? अफगानिस्तान वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड?
नहीं, अब वो आना बाकी है.
नहीं.
ओके.
आयरलैंड, नेदरलैंड, नामीबिया बोल भाई. न्यूजीलैंड बोल यार. न्यूजीलैंड या अफगानिस्तान बॉयज. क्या बोल विकास, तू ही चालू कर.
न्यूजीलैंड.
थैंक यू.
न्यूजीलैंड जीतेगी.
बोल भाई.
मतलब
it's just It's just Rashid Khan, no one else. मतलब bowling में खत्म कर देंगे.
If
So
things
just-
don't go New Zealand's way, the only victory they might get is from a qualifying team, which is coming from.
I'm also going to go New Zealand.
Afghanistan, yeah. A very bold call. I'm going with Afghanistan against New Zealand. कहाँ पे खेल रहे हैं उन लोग? Afghanistan, New Zealand?
I'm not sure, yaar. I'm not sure. Can you see?
They are playing at Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
So yeah,
Okay.
maybe New Zealand, matlab, should be good enough to win.
Please, Vignesh, please.
Right. So I think according to you, probably not getting out of the group. No chances of getting out of the group. मैं यार फिर भी बांग्लादेश, आयरलैंड, नेदरलैंड, नामीबिया में से एक और अफगानिस्तान तीनों जिता रहा हूँ इनको actually. So if they get 3 wins, I think they have. I think net run rate पे जा सकते.
Pakistan will win the rest of the matches, no?
Yeah, but
Apart from
rest of क्या? Point for India से तो नहीं जीतेगी वो.
हाँ, इंडिया के अलावा तो बाकी सारे जीत जाएंगे.
Yeah. So I think Pakistan, New Zealand will be the decider. I think for who finishes
Sure.
second or third in this group probably.
Yes.
What an easy group actually, यार India के लिए.
Pakistan और बांग्लादेश के बीच में होगा who will go to the semis. India being number 1, the second will be decided between Bangladesh and Pakistan. New Zealand may be contesting for the 4th spot with Afghanistan.
Wow. That is, there got to be some bashing from the Asian bloc.
I'm not it's from
Right, guys. It was great fun again. You were sort of क्या यार न्यूजीलैंड को इतना नीचे कर दिया हम लोगों ने, but New Zealand being New Zealand, don't be surprised if they shock us all and actually play the semi-finals. I can see it
average
happening.
rating for the Sports Republic. हम New Zealand को
yeah.
I've bashed them left, right, and center.
I'll give you the average ratings. Average ratings, Vignesh, your average rating is 7.125. Which is I don't know how you came to that rating, because West Indies ko you gave what?
Same or slightly
7.5. You gave a 7.5.
Okay, yeah.
Which is
it's mainly because your it's mainly because your leadership group
and team balance is I guess all.
Sure. So
Yeah.
Vignesh's average is coming to 7.125. Vikas and me both are averaging at 7.25 for New Zealand, which is a little higher than Vigesh's average. So the Sports Republic's rating, cumulative rating for New Zealand going into this World Cup is 7.20833333333. Yeah, so we'll go for a 7.2, which is you round it off to a 7.2. So now we'll close this. It's been a long running video anyway. New Zealand के बारे में इतना कोई नहीं सुनना चाहता, but we'll see how they do in the World Cup. Thanks guys for joining me. And guys, if you like this video, whoever is watching this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and this is the best sports channel in the world. And please come back again.
We've started branding this like this only now.
Watch others. Watch the other videos over here. I'll put the link over here. We've done a lot of IPL content as well. So if you like those videos at all, please subscribe to us, and we'll see you soon.